Apollo 14 launched on January 31, 1971, bound for the hilly region north of the Moon's Framoro crater, the landing site originally planned for Apollo 13. Commanding the mission was Alan Shepard, the first American in space and the only original Mercury astronaut to make it to the lunar surface. An inner ear condition had grounded him for years, but corrective surgery restored him to flight status. His Apollo 14 crewmates were Stuart Roosa, the command module pilot, and Edgar Mitchell, the lunar module pilot. Their trip had its share of minor problems. Roosa had difficulty docking the command module Kitty Hawk to the lunar module Antares. It took 5 attempts and more than 90 minutes to connect the two spacecraft. After the two ships undocked in lunar orbit, computer and radar glitches aboard Antares initially threatened the descent to the surface. However, the problems were resolved, and Shepard and Mitchell safely landed their spacecraft on the Moon, February 5, 1971. When Shepard climbed down the ladder and set foot on lunar soil, he reflected on his historic journey.
Alma's on the surface, and it's been a long way, but we're here.
During 2 moonwalks, Shepard and Mitchell deployed experiments and collected almost 100 pounds of lunar soil and rock samples. Roosa collected data and took photos from Kitty Hawk orbiting overhead. Shepard wrapped up his second moonwalk with yet another first. An avid golfer, Shepard improvised a 6-iron, teed off for a long-distance shot.